Training elite pilots in the Air Force is a rigorous, multi-phase process designed to develop exceptional skill, discipline, and adaptability. The journey begins with the selection process, where only the most physically and mentally prepared candidates are chosen. Pilots must excel in various areas, including cognitive aptitude, physical fitness, and psychological resilience. Once selected, pilots undergo basic flight training. This phase takes place at the United States Air Force Academy, or specialized pilot training schools. During this time, candidates learn the fundamentals of aviation, flight safety, and aircraft systems. They practice in simulators and progress to flying actual aircraft, refining their handling and decision-making abilities. The emphasis here is on building proficiency and confidence, laying the foundation for more advanced training. After basic flight training, aspiring elite pilots enter a more specialized phase called advanced pilot training. In this stage, pilots learn to fly more complex and high-performance aircraft, such as fighter jets. They master skills like aerial combat tactics, high-speed maneuvers, and formation flying. The training includes extensive live-fire exercises and simulations that prepare pilots for real-world combat situations. Pilots are also taught how to operate in challenging weather conditions and adverse environments, ensuring their adaptability in any scenario. The final phase for elite pilots is survival, evasion, resistance, and escape training. Here, they are trained to survive and operate behind enemy lines, with instruction on evasion tactics, handling captivity, and how to escape from dangerous situations. This psychological and physical conditioning ensures that pilots are prepared for the worst-case scenarios. Throughout the entire process, Air Force pilots are constantly tested on their endurance, critical thinking, and decision-making under pressure. Only those who meet the highest standards graduate, becoming part of the Air Force's elite cadre of pilots ready to face the most demanding missions.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon if you like our content.